Hi everyone, welcome back. This week has been full of experience here in South Africa. I discovered a little piece of home. I tried something new and I learned more about this beautiful country. Eating at a restaurant every day has become expensive. So this week I decided it is time to cook at home. So I went to the market and guess what? Guess what, guys? I found a Tanzania rice. I was so happy. This is Tanzania rice and it is very expensive, very, very expensive. So in South Africa, they have Tanzania rice, basmat. Okay, this basmat, the jasmine, candy slice. But Tanzania rice was very expensive and everybody wanted that. And also I had to buy chicken, I buy beans. The fish, I was like, okay, fish are expensive, I'm not buying it. Yeah. I have to buy tomato paste, that cooking oil, and because Tanzania rice 5 kg is too much, and I was like, okay, I'm buying 1 kg, and I found magebuka. So this week ni tunakula nyumbani. I'm just cooking at home. I'm not buying anything. And I wonder why I bought this soda. Nimenunua soda and imagine this is the third week. Hii soda iko hivyo hivyo because South Africa ni baridi. And I'm even scared to drink that soda because naona tumbo langu likipata baridi, what will happen? After that, I visited GrandWest. I had really never tried ice skating before, and let me tell you, it looks much easier than it actually is. I almost lost my balance a few times, but I had so much fun.
This is the best place to.
This place is huge. It's so big. So many games in. So much fun thing. This was my first day on this, so like if I go there like 2-3 times, I will be good on that. So yeah, I'm proud of myself. I tried. While driving around Cape Town, I noticed many government-built houses, and I've learned that some of those homes are part of housing program for South African. Seeing this neighborhood made me think about how important affordable housing is. It has also made me reflect on the challenge many families facing across different African countries. I hope more people everywhere can have access to the safe and affordable home.
There's a big hospital.
Naona ndugu yangu yuko kwenye Verona nasomea international school. Is a private university. This one.
Ndio anakusoma vema.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next adventure. Thank you.